everyone, welcome to HauteMamas. Today we're trialing a foundation sample that Lisa got. Two Faces Born This Way. So we're each going to be using some of the foundation, and then we'll keep in touch and let you know how it goes throughout the day. Does that sound like a plan?
Yes.
Okay.
But you know what I don't have? Hold, please.
Okay,
Oh
we're back.
My God.
Okay, Lisa, just here. Can I help you here? Okay,
I just opened the envelope. I'm not having a night. Like, is it anywhere else? And I got some on my pants.
We're using the color light beige, just in case you want to know.
First, it's got to come off my pants.
Mm-hmm.
That is cray. Anywhere else?
Cray pan.
All right. Where's that little envelope?
Look here. I took it away from you when it looked like it was going everywhere.
So this Born This Way,
literally everywhere.
From Too Faced, and we'll read what
Undetectable medium to full coverage foundation.
Undetectable?
That's what it said.
I beg to differ.
You haven't even oh my God, you're in a mood. I don't believe it at all. I'm having none of this.
I feel like that's a lie. Dotted all over my face when I opened the envelope. Like I've got dots. It's so weird. First of all, the color's not ideal.
It's not ideal on either of us, actually. Once again, like, okay, we made one show, the MAC show, I'll link it up there, where we actually got to use something that was in our right color. Remember?
Oh my
Remember
God.
that day? That was a great day.
Maybe I should throw some vanilla on over top of this because this is too crazy, not my color. And yet, that's what I'm going to have to wear.
Yeah.
The whole time.
Because we're taking one for you guys.
Those little envelopes of things, like...
Lisa's coming out against them.
Yeah, you know what? It's almost better to go in and just get a sample and use that, rather than get the Sephora, you know, when you get those free samples. Mm-hmm. Because, well, I guess you can try out the formula of it. Oh, I can't. I can't do it. Look at me! Oh my God.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, so instead of getting those envelope samples that you get from, you know, when you pick your free samples, it's probably almost better just to go in and get, you know, like a free sample, but in your color.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because this is no bueno. I'm going to make it work anyway, though. Right? So, as far as the foundation itself, what do we think?
Well, I'm enjoying the way it's applying. I feel like it's matte enough for my skin. I like the coverage. I don't hate this particular color on me because it is really getting rid of the red in my face. Yeah.
It's fully detectable. I detect it. I detect it on my face.
Oh my God. Oh, Lisa.
I can feel it.
You can feel it. So does it feel heavy to you?
A little, actually. But on the plus side, now I have to preface this by saying we just opened our BoxyCharm and are using the things in the BoxyCharm.
Uh-huh.
And one of the things in the BoxyCharms was this blurring pore minimizer Dr. Brandt primer. So I've got that on. So, but it's not sinking into any pores. It is kind of going into the wrinkle here and here a little bit. But
I would say there is some pore sinkage going on my chin.
really?
Yeah. But I'm going to cover it over with this 1-2 Perfect Selfie Powder. Which is, see, I'm hitting pan, you guys. This is how much I'm using it. I feel like I'm off to a pretty good start.
Yeah, I don't mind it, but it is going into my lines just a little bit. a sketch, a tiny bit. Not offensively, but this one right here in particular on my chin is like cracking. I don't want it to crack.
Yeah.
And yet it is. So, all right. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply
the, are we going to do concealer and then we can come back and do the stuff from the BoxyCharm?
Okay.
All of the Pure Cosmetics stuff.
I think to get rid of this crack in my chin.
We'll be back when we have concealer on.
Conditioner on?
Okay, so we're just checking in on how our foundation's doing after we've applied our powder.
Mine is cracking here and here. It's not going into pores though.
Yeah, I don't love it.
No,
see what's happening here?
Yeah, it's kind of blotchy.
Yeah, like it's it's actually patchy.
Something.
And for my primer, I actually use something that I normally use quite a bit, Smashbox Photo Finish. So there's no real reason for this to look like this. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's actually blotchy right here. Like it's not really blended. Like, and I use my blender and I wet it down, so there's no reason why.
Mine's not blotchy, so the primer's doing okay, but definitely it's not wrinkle friendly. Let's just say that.
It's not my
quite
favorite.
dry. No, it's a bit cakey. Feels a bit cakey. So that's our thoughts so far. We'll get the rest of our makeup on and come back.
Yeah. Okay, so we've been in this foundation for a hellish 2 hours or so. I can truly say that I hate it.
It's cracking. It's cracking here, and it won't stop cracking. The one good thing I can say is it's not in my pores, but it feels dry, it feels cakey, and it's cracking.
Yeah, none of this is any good.
You see that? Down there? And there?
Yeah.
It's no good.
So that's a big fail for the Born This Way Too Faced, at least for us. This is me with my oily skin, Lisa with her
I've got
dry
skin.
But we will check in later and let you know how the disaster's unfolding. Thanks for joining us.
It might work for you, though. Lots of people swear by it. They love it.
So far, not so much. Thanks for joining us on HauteMamas Live. We're available on Twitter and Instagram at HauteMamas Live. We have a website called HauteMamas Live, and please feel free to subscribe to the channel by pushing the button above Lisa's head. Ring the bell if you'd like to get an email when we have a new episode out. Thanks for joining us. Bye.